Hello, this is a brief video on how to access a facilitated Maine Roads to Quality training online. So first, you'll navigate to mrtq.org. You can either put that into the browser that you're in at the top, or you can search on Google MRTQ and find mrtq.org in the results. Once you're on mrtq.org, put your mouse over the Registry tab at the top of the page, and then click on Login/Application. This will bring you to the registry website, and you will first log in by clicking on the green Login button in the middle bottom of your page. You will then be prompted to enter your email and password. Mine has filled in automatically, but this is where you'll put your own email and password and then click on the green Login button when you are complete. Once you've logged in, you should click on the green Access button underneath Online Training in the middle bottom of the page. You will then be brought to a page that says Online Training at the top. This is where you can sign up for on-demand trainings, but again, for the purpose of this video, we're talking about facilitated trainings. So to access a facilitated training, you will then click on the green Access Online Training button inside the blue box in the middle of the page. This brings you to the training website, where you'll first have to scroll down to view a list of your trainings. And as you can see here, I have a couple of trainings. This will show both facilitated trainings and on-demand trainings, and it will show the trainings that you've recently taken or are about to take. Please note that we periodically archive our trainings, so you won't have access to them for a very long time. So please be sure to, as you're completing your training or right after you complete your training, if there's any work that you have done in the training that you want to save either for your own purpose or if you're working towards a credential and want to keep track of what you have accomplished, please save that in a personal document, be it on your computer or somewhere online outside of MRTQ. But again, for accessing a facilitated training, you will want to click on the name of your facilitated training underneath the My Trainings header. So say, for the purpose of this video, the facilitated training that I am doing is Positive Supports in Challenging Behavior. So I will click on the name of that training right here. And now, once I've clicked on that name, I've been brought into the training, which is where all of the training content lives. This is where you'll see announcements from your trainer. This is where you'll be able to access content and progress throughout the training. So this is how you access an online facilitated training. We have other tutorial content about what to do once you're inside this training and how to navigate it from there. So if that's something you'd like to explore, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we would be happy to support.